Now we have 2 raised to power 3 plus y plus 2 raised to power 3 minus y equal to 65. Therefore, 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 2 raised to power y plus 2 raised to power 3 divided by 2 raised to power y equal to 65. Now when you have this, the same thing as 2 raised to power y into 2 raised to power 3 plus 2 raised to power 3 over 2 raised to power y equal to 65. Now what is 2 raised to power 3? 2 raised to power 3 is 8. That 8 into 2 raised to power y plus 8 over 2 raised to power y equal to 65. Equal to 65. Now let's find the LCM. Now the LCM is 2 raised to power y, and it's 1 in 2 raised to power y, that's 2 raised to power y. That will be 2 raised to power y into 8 multiplied by 2 raised to power y, close the bracket, plus 2 raised to power y into 2 raised to power y, that's 1 times 8, that's 8, equal to 65. Now 2 raised to power y and multiply by 2 raised to power y, what do you have there? That's 2 raised to power 2y into 8 plus 8 equal to this value multiplied by this, that's 2 raised to power y into what? 65. From this point, I have 8 into 2 raised to power 2y plus 8 equal to 2 raised to power y into 65. Now interpret this one. Now we have 8 into 2 raised to power y square plus 8 equal to 2 raised to power y into 65. Now let 2 raised to power y equal to x. Anywhere you see 2 raised to power y, input x there. That will be 8 into x squared plus 8 equal to x into what? 65. Clear the brackets. Then we have 8x squared plus 8 equal to 65x. Now equate it to 0. Therefore you have 8x squared minus 65x plus 8 equal to 0. Now it's factorizable because 8 times 8 is 64, and then 64 times 1 is 64, and then 64 plus 1 is equal to 65. But you have minus sign here. That means minus, that will be 8x squared minus x minus 64x plus 8 equal to 0. Now you factorize the value. What's the common factor here? Common factor here is x into 8x minus 1 minus 8 open bracket 8 in 64, that 8x minus 1 equal to 0. Then you have common factor here, that will be 8x minus 1 into x minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore, let's take each factor and equate it to 0 one after the other. Now let's take the first one. You have 8x minus 1 equal to 0. When you have 8x minus 1 equal to 0, therefore 8x equal to 1. And then we have x now is equal to 1 over 8. That's 1. And let's take the other factor. We have x minus 8 equal to 0. X now is equal to what? 8. Therefore, the value of x now equal to 8 or 1 over 8. Now the value of x is equal to 8 or 1 over 8. And then let's go back to that our concept that let 2y is equal to this. Now from this value now, since 2 power of y is equal to x, and let's have the value of, then input the value of x is equal to 8. Then we have 2 raised to power y equal to 8. And then 8 can be simplified in form of power of 2. That 2 raised to power y equal to 2 raised to power 3. Therefore 2 here, y now equal to what? 3. That's the first answer. And then this next one, the second value where x is equal to when x equal to 1 over 8. And then you have 2 power of y is equal to x. Substitute this value here. That's 2 power of y equal to 1 over 8. And then we have 2 power of y is equal to 8 power of 1. That's inverse law. And then we have 2 power of y equal to 2 raised to power minus 2 raised to power minus 3. Because 2 raised to power minus 3 is equal to this. And then we have y 2 going to y now is equal to minus 3.